Ben, a stressed businessman recovering from a recent heart attack, firmly believed he could manage every detail of his life. This relentless pursuit left him in a perpetual state of stress, exacerbating his health issues with headaches, stomach problems, and sleepless nights. Consumed by the need to control every aspect of his existence, Ben shared his struggles one day with his friend Carl at a local cafe. Carl, listening intently, asked Ben a probing question. "Do you know the taxi driver when you're in a cab? Or the pilot of a plane? Or the captain of a ship?" Ben shook his head in uncertainty. Perplexed, he replied, "No, I don't." Carl smiled knowingly and responded, "Exactly. You relax in a taxi, on a plane, or a ship, even though you don't know who's in charge. So why can't you relax in life and trust that God is in control?" These words resonated deeply with Ben. He realized the futility of trying to control everything around him. What he could truly manage were his own thoughts and actions. From that moment on, Ben resolved to focus on doing his best both professionally and personally, while surrendering every